Hey y'all, okay, so this is another walk down the polish aisle with me video at Dollar Tree. And yes, this one may look familiar to you. I have showed you guys this one a couple of times. I came in to see if I could find any new nail goodies. So basically you guys will just be walking around with me while I just look to see what I can find. I didn't find too many new nail things, but I did come across a few little couple cute things that I picked up on this day. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If so, click that like button. If you're new, please click that subscribe button. I'm trying to make it to 2K. Um, and make sure you turn on notifications so you will know when I have a new video up. All right, y'all, enjoy the video.